Hi class, happy Friday. Professor Wright here. I just wanted to make a quick video this week to show you how to sign up for a Grammarly account. Grammarly is a tool that allows you to edit your discussion board posts, your journals, and all your assignments in real time. So it edits as you type. And I posted the directions for it in my midweek announcement on Wednesday, but I wanted to just give you a quick tutorial. So I'm signed into our course and I'm on the announcements page. Here are the instructions. So you can click on these links, but also there's a link to the instructions right here on your left under Grammarly and Academic Writer. So if you click on that, it will give you directions for your Grammarly account. You can go to this link, sign up process, and it will give you the link to Grammarly. And all you have to do is click on this and you will be able to log in. But I'm going to go back really quickly to the previous screen because I would probably, if you don't have an account already set up, click here under register a new account with Grammarly. I would click here and you would need to put in your student username, your email, and password in order to sign up for a new account. If you're ever prompted for an access code, you would want to use GoPost 2018. And then there's a few tips here. If you do not receive a confirmation email, you would need to check your spam or junk folder and any tabs in your inbox. And then try adding these email addresses to your email contact list and then send yourself an email again. And then once you have created your account, you'll be able to go in and have all of your work edited for you so that you don't make any spelling or grammatical errors that will cause you to lose points on your weekly assignments. So I hope that helps you to understand. Again, you go to Grammarly and Academic Writer here, and then you're going to click on this link to register a new account at Grammarly. Or if you already have a Grammarly account from a previous course or university, you would sign in here under this link. So I hope that helps you. I hope all of you are having a fantastic Friday. Please remember that while there are no deadlines for your Unit 1 work, that starting in Unit 2 there will be, and you really want to have your journal, discussion board, and your interactive exercises completed by Sunday. Should you have any questions, please email me or text me, and I hope you have a great weekend.